Hey, it is Rachel Pajzonka. If you're wondering how to pronounce my last name, it's Pajzonka. We are going into Arlo floor plan, model home, 1960 square feet, the way it is built. Let's go inside. Look at that cute little front porch. All right, right as you enter this model home, we have a cute open office with those great windows, great front windows looking out the front of the house. The way this floor plan is set up, they've got this model home showing off some beautiful wood look tile. Gorgeous. First little half bath as you come in. This floor plan is set up with a nice cream color. We've got browns going on. Love this tile right here. Just one of the options available. Quartz countertop. Okay. I'm gonna do this in one take, so if I mess up, you guys get to see some goofy mess ups. A little walk-in pantry. Staging is gorgeous. I want to steal that kitchen faucet. I'm going to take you on a tour of the Taylor Morrison community at Combs Ranch. So first, we're going to go in 10, which is about 1,832 square feet. So let's go inside. Okay, very welcoming. As soon as you walk inside, you've got some calm, cool blues. Beautiful large tile. This kitchen, look at this. This is gorgeous. So much cabinetry. Set my paperwork down, and we're gonna do this in one take. So if I mess up, I mess up. Super cool pantry. Double wide. Love it. Okay, little eating area. Breakfast nook dining area off of the kitchen. We're gonna go right back over here to the main hallway. Loving the background music. Look at this bar area. Beautiful open windows, tall, tall ceilings. Another eating area. Gorgeous open living area. Okay, so we take a left. Laundry, first bedroom. I always want to steal their ideas for decorating. So that's our first bedroom. Here's an office. This could be another bedroom. Gorgeous. Here is a second or third bedroom. Nice closets. Peek back there. The shared bathroom, super tall. Love the crisp white. Same tile throughout. They have put carpet only in the bedrooms. And we're gonna continue on back here to get to what everybody wants to see, which is the master bedroom. Carpeted again, of course. And we are going into this gorgeous open. Look at that linen. And there, hidden away. We've got our big shower. Little closet right here. And then, what we all care about. Big, big walk-in closet with all that built-in storage. Okay, that is the first model. Now let's take a look at a couple more. Okay, it's Rachel again, just super quick. I want to get some video out here of the construction area and just this part of town so you can see there's construction going on and this area is changing a lot, but we're right at the corner of Combs and Schnepf farm. Take a look at that. You've got mountains. It is not far to get to any mountains around here. And straight diagonal from where I'm standing is the pork shop. Today is National Burrito Day, so we have to go to the pork shop. It is delicious. It is a butcher shop. Want to show you all of these houses being built right now. They have, at this particular community right now, I would say there are about 12 quick move-in homes, and they've got financing at 4.75%, which is phenomenal right now. I am here with the last home tour. This is our model home for the Windsor edition. Beast. This is the 2-story, looking at 2,757 square feet, and we're gonna go inside. Here's a peek from the outside. All right, let's go in. All right, walking in, we've got some beautiful, large, rectangular ceramic tile right to the left of the entrance. In this floor plan, the way it is set up, you've got a beautiful office. And off of the office, you have a wonderful storage space. Could use that as a closet, stick a file cabinet in there. Look at these walls. Beautiful. Cream color walls in here. Just showing another one of the decorating styles you could choose from. This is a much bigger floor plan than the other 2 models that I've been showing you. So we've got a lot of features in here. Huge walk-in pantry. How can you even put enough things in there? And this tile, I love it. Love it. Gas stove. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Sink. Okay, from the kitchen, from this island, I look left and I see a very open living area. Got our stairs to go upstairs. We'll go there in just a second, but take a look at this laundry room. Are you kidding me? Look how big this is. Garage through there. Huge. Huge. Cute, 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 cute. And more oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've been in here before, but I always forget, and I love, I call it the Harry Potter room. So much storage. Little kids would come in here and never leave. Reading nook. Did I miss that hood? Okay, let's get everything downstairs and then we'll go upstairs. Guest bath. This little relaxing room. This is just an extra room off of the master suite. And then, well, maybe this isn't the master suite. This is just a wonderful room. This would be an amazing guest suite. In-law suite. Teenager suite. But you've got a good bedroom, this wonderful area where they can have some privacy, a 3/4 bath, so they've got everything they need right here, right off the main floor. We're gonna go upstairs, upstairs. Hold on. And here we are, upstairs. The loft. Pretty cool. Okay. Come in here. This is a big master bedroom. Big. This is a king size bed in here. Plenty, I mean those side tables. That's a full-size dresser in most houses. Same tile as downstairs. Double sink, hello. And do you want to have a party and a shower? Hello. Let's just go in here. Take a seat. Come back here. Wow. Okay, not gonna trip. plenty of rods. If you have too many clothing items for this closet, downsize. Okay. Walking through the beautiful loft again. Let's see, we've got options. We've got 2 bedrooms down there. We've got bedroom in here. Huge bedroom again. Dang. Taylor Morrison is giving room. Big walk-in closet for the lucky person that gets that bedroom. Coming down this hall, we've got a linen closet to share. We've got a big, nice, roomy bathroom. Double sinks all around. Okay, let's go left. Look at this view. This is cool. Community pool. I am getting you videos of floor plans for Taylor Morrison, and then I will be getting a lot of other builder floor plans as I can get to them. What I can tell you right now is Taylor Morrison is offering 4.75%, which is great right now, on any quick move-ins. So if you're interested in a quick move-in, hit me up. I'll say it right here. My phone number is 520-665-9218. Check out my Facebook, Instagram. I'll have these floor plans everywhere. But what I want to say, in all sincerity, don't ever buy new construction without a realtor. Whether it's me or someone else, the money to pay the realtor is already in the contract. So if you don't use a realtor, they're not going to credit you that money. They just keep it. So we're here for your protection. We're here to support you with any questions. I have worked in new construction before. I love new construction, and I'm here for you.